Okay, so we've been using the definition of derivative, trying to find the derivatives, and it was very algebraically demanding questions, right? You got to do a lot of algebra to get to your answer. Okay, so far we've been using, if we're given this, to do this, right, we have to do, you have to use the first principle and go through all this algebra to get there. Now, a lot of them actually have, I don't know if you noticed, it's very similar in pattern, how you do them. Right? So there's actually a lot of nice rules to speed this up. The first one is the derivative of a constant. That's the same thing as asking, what's the rate of change of any constant function? What's a constant function look like? Here's x, y, straight horizontal line. What's the slope for this? 0. So this is the first rule. Okay. Whenever you see a constant, if you want to differentiate that, you get a 0. Second one, if you see x, what's the slope of y equals x? This is also very obvious and easy. 1. Okay, so these are two basic rules. Okay, this one has a nice name. It's called power rule. It's the following. If you differentiating x to the power of n, you do this. You decrease this by 1 and you times it by n. So for example here, if you're talking about differentiating x cubed, if you use the first principle, this took a while. You got the difference of cubic formula and all that stuff, right? This is now going to be 3 minus 1 times by 3. 3x squared. That's a derivative. Pretty simple, right? Let's do one more. We can even do it on the fractional exponents. X to the power of, let's say, 4 over 3. Bring the 4 over 3 down. 4 over 3 minus 1. So you get x to the power of 1 over 3. So these are slightly hidden examples. You have to make it look like a power function first, which is this. Okay, so the derivative will be minus 2 x to the power of negative 3 for this one, which is this. This one here, in the power form, it's 2 over 3. So dy over dx, or y prime, is going to be 2 over 3, x to the power of 2 over 3 minus 1. This is written this way. X to the power of 1 over 3 at the bottom. Or cubic root of x.